today we're making a ring stick.
Right, today we're making a ring stick. There's going to be a few supplies that you need. The first one is an old paper towel roll. You're going to need some tin foil.
Yeah.
You're going to need some toothpicks. I have that white cardstock again from the other day to make caps for the top and bottom. We have some duct tape and some fillers. So we have popcorn kernels, we have rice, and we have ditalini pasta, which is just very small pasta. And that's it. So are we ready to get started?
Yes.
Okay. So first, I took my paper towel roll and I traced the outside of it. And then what I did is when I cut it so it was a little bit larger than my outline. And then I slit around the outside, and then I folded all of these little...
Yep. That's the first thing you do.
I slit it, and I
Yeah.
folded it, so it looks something like that.
So it's a little bit
And
bigger.
then I shoved it in.
Yeah, you shove.
Nope, not working for me right now. There we go. And then I just taped it.
Yeah, with duct tape.
Doesn't have to be perfect or look beautiful because it's going to be fixed at the end.
Yeah, we fix it at the end always.
Are you a parrot?
That was not.
All right. Perfect. It's in and we're good. Okay, so next step. I took a piece of tin foil and then I just rolled it all up and then I spiraled it like this. And we're going to shove it in like so.
Shove it. Huh.
All right, perfect.
Wait, can I see? That scared me.
All right, next step. I took some toothpicks. I already did the bottom of it just to get ahead a little bit. But I took some toothpicks and I shoved it into the top and bottom. I took 3. You can take as many as you want, put them in all over. But I shoved them in like so.
Shove it.
And then
like we're doing a red one.
and then they're all going to stick out a little bit. Again, I already pre-did this. And so I just
by the way,
did that. Okay, so our next step is to fill it. So Braden, you want to come over and fill it?
yes, but I just have to.
It's okay, Braden. Just leave it there, please.
I'll just put it
Come
back
back.
when it's done.
All right, so you could dump a little bit of rice in there.
A little bit.
No. The hole is this way. Let go. Just a little bit. Braden. All right, let me do it, okay?
All of them. And then do the corn top.
The corn kernels. All right. Don't take a big handful. Take a little handful. Do little at a time so we don't spill it everywhere. Okay, you do a little bit more.
Okay.
You could take a couple more than just 3.
No. A corn top. What?
Good job. All right. A little bit more.
That's it.
All right. Let's put this to the side. We'll put that away a little bit later. And a little bit of pasta. So I use small pasta. I had ditalini. So that's what I'm shoving in here.
Shove it.
I think that's good. All right. All right, so now we're going to cap it off by, again, putting one of those caps back on the top.
Yeah. And then we use duct tape.
Right, so I'm going to need to cut a little bit of duct tape.
And carefully get
right, and I got the scissors too, please.
Super gently.
All right, so I'm just going to put a little duct tape on there and make sure it's all secure so none of my stuff falls out.
Then you put another one on. And
all right, and then last, I'm just going to duct tape the whole thing around.
Duct tape all around, just like this one. That's last but not least.
Again, I'm not doing this so perfect right now, but
it looks like a volcano super yellow red. That's super big.
don't worry, he's going to be a protectionist after we are done with this and tell me all the spots that I missed or that I need to fix. That's Brayden. But
Yeah, red is my favorite color, so I take the red and decorate.
Alright. Almost done. Alright.
And that's how you make it.
Alright, good. Brayden, test it out. Sounds pretty cool, huh? So now that that's all done, you can give them some markers and they can draw on it. Or Brayden wanted to add some stickers to his, right? So go ahead and you can decorate it.
No, I want the markers with this one.
Go ahead.
I want to do blue, but I wanted to do red.
Okay.
Where's red? What's there? Got it.
I don't think you're going to be able to do red on the red tape though. So I wrote on it, and then we could put some stickers on it. You could draw pictures on it.
1 second.
I'll put a butterfly on mine. And a ladybug. And there we go. A rain stick. Good job. All right, so we'll finish decorating after our video. But why don't you show everyone what your rain stick looks like? He wrote his name. And again, he'll decorate it. And that's it. All right, everyone. Thank you very much. And I hope you all have fun making rain sticks, right?
Yeah.